What's up, guys? Welcome back. We got another day, beautiful day of taking the GTR out. So yesterday Tyler hit me up. He said, hey, send a picture of your car. I didn't know what was going on, but of course I'm going to send it, so I sent it to him. He said, hey, would you like to have your car on display at Griot's in their showroom? He just dropped his car off, and I said, heck yeah, I'll do that. What's the information, you know? And basically Griot's is the place that I like buying their products for any car cleaning supplies. That's why I get all my soaps, all my detailing spray, all that from Griot's, and they're very well involved in the car community, which is really awesome. And they're local to us, and their store is their store is just fun to be in. You know, it's might not think of a car cleaning supply store as much like actually going into the store, but the way they have it set up and you know how everything is organized, it's like going in a candy store. You know, like I have sections for everything, anything you can think of a car cleaning, from the products themselves to the cleaning tools as well. You know, if you can think of it, they got it. It's really cool. I always get my stuff from there. So when the opportunity came up and said, hey, do you want to have your car on display in our store? I said, yeah, I'll definitely do it. So it was last minute. I got something to do for the weekend, so I had to take off work early, and now I'm on my way 2 hours away from where I work just to drop off my car. And today is May 2nd, and yeah, they want to have my car on display in their showroom for about a month, so end of May, probably get it back. So in between that time, yeah, if you're in the area, definitely check out Griot's. You'll see my car there. You'll see Tyler's Mark IV Supra. Yeah, it's pretty exciting for me, you know. I won't have my car for a month, but today is a beautiful day. But the forecast shows the next 10 days is going to be raining in my area, so I'm not even going to take it out. Busy with work anyway, so it's a good opportunity to get the car out and into the public eye again. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'll try to record a little bit in the store if I can. Depends how awkward it feels for me, because I haven't been recording in a long while, to be honest. If not, I'll at least show you a quick video of where it's going to be sitting in the showroom. So always got to record this going across the bridge. Yeah, it's nice. I would say a little low so I can't see above the rails, but it's cool. There's Griot's right up there. I'll be pulling up. Free car show first Saturday every month. There you go. I'll pull it up right here. I forgot how hard it is to drive with this manual. My guess is I'll probably be pulling into this garage or this one. Not sure yet, but yeah. And if you haven't been here, this is what the lot looks like, and this is where they hold a lot of their car shows, so it's pretty neat. And they have classes on how to properly clean cars and whatnot. It's actually really cool. A lot of people here today. Maybe they'll have me pull up there, I'm not sure, but yeah, Griot's. Great place. But yep, this is it. So, and my ride right here to get back. So we'll figure it out. Alright guys, so we got it in. Check it out. So we'll do some paperwork and nice GTR 32. JZX 100 I think. It was 240 ton. Of course Tyler's Supra. But yeah. And we got the race exotics and the Type R and the Datsun. Look at that. That's neat, huh? And there it is, guys. There it sits. Pretty excited. Like, this is pretty cool. So, like I said, this store's really cool. We'll walk in there and check out some of their products. And Mia. And then, yeah, they got. I think they used to have a diner in there or something. But like I said, definitely come check it out. This is cool. All right, guys. So when you first enter, this is the way you go, and like I said, it's set up really nice. You got some nice merch and bags here. Buckets, you know, a little display, but yeah, if you need, like, seriously anything. Correcting cream from the tools to actually do all the detailing. Like, super clean setup. I always love coming here. Little videos that shows you how to do stuff, and pressure washers. You could have your garage set up. You know, like I'm telling you, anything you could think of, they thought of and they made it easy to go. Showroom's back there, and yeah, man, I don't know. I like using this tire shine. It's pretty good. Car care is cool. Window glass cleaner, like, I'm telling you everything. But I'll show you what this is the one that I always use, guys. You see me on my videos. This is the good stuff. In fact, I should pick up some sometime. But yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I know this is really cool. So definitely come by and check it out. You know, I'll go show you Tyler's car again real quick. There we go. Thank you again, Tyler, for helping me out with this and me having fun. So it's Scott's Race Exotics car. Yeah, there you go, guys. As always, thanks for joining. Take care. Peace.